If you're a homeowner, you're inevitably going to have to deal with some home maintenance items or repairs. Today we're going to talk about sump pumps. If you're a property that is below grade, the street grade that is, that means you're most likely going to have a sump pump installed at your property to take the waste material from the sewer lines and the water lines back up to the street sewer so the city can service it.
All right, so what are the tools we need? First, need a full hazmat suit. Don't want to get involved with this with anything less. Secondly, you want to have a face mask. There's a possibility of some splatter, everybody. Third, eye protective wear. Fourth, we got some gloves. Fifth, a vacuum to pick everything up. Sixth, a hose. And seventh, your own cameraman. All right.
As you can see, that wasn't that difficult. Pretty easy to fix a sump pump. So next time, if you run across a problem with your sump pump, take a look at this video, use the tools that I advise you to use, and take care of the problem yourself. Give you some self-satisfaction and give you some extra cash that you can spend on a great date, great vacation, great dinner, whatever you want. And I'm really curious to see those of you that actually do repair or replace your own sump pump. Give me some comments below. Let me know what you think. And if you're a plumber, for heaven's sakes, please take a look at this video and see all the consumers that need your help. Maybe you can post some ideas below as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.